So children, in today's video we are going to learn subtraction of money with rupees borrowing. So here we are going to use the same method, the method that we were using in the subtraction. So see here they have given 12 rupees 25 paise minus 10 rupees 50 paise. We will take it as in ones, tens, hundred and thousand place. So here see 5. From 5 if we will minus it 0, we will get 5. So now 2. From 2 in a 10th column they have given 5, 2 minus 5. So from 2 we can't subtract 5. So from our 100 place we are going to borrow 1. So that 2 will become 1 and in a 10th place that 2 will become 12. So here this 2 will become 1 and here this 2 will become 12. So now from 12, if you have a 12 chocolate and if you will remove it 5, if you will give 5 to your friend, you will be remaining with a 7 chocolates. So here we will write 7. So here we finished. Now come to the 100 column. Now from 1 in 100 they have given 1 minus 0. They had given 2 but we borrowed it to the 10th place. So we have here 1. So from 1 chocolate, if you will not give any chocolate to your friend, you will be remaining with same 1 chocolate. Now here you have 1 chocolate and you will give 1 chocolate to your friend. You will be remaining with a 0 chocolate. So your answer here will be rupees 1.75 paise. So after subtracting, we will write in rupees and paise. Now our second question is here 167 rupees 50 paise minus 145 rupees and 75 paise. First we will subtract the paise column. First we will write it as a ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Here see they have given in our ones place 0 minus 5. So they have given 0. From 0 subtract 5. So we can't subtract from 0. We can't subtract 5. So from our 10th place we will borrow it. So this will become, this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now from 10. For example, you have 10 paise and you have went to a shop to take a 50 paise chocolate. So, you will take 5 chocolates. Now, where is the 1 paise chocolates you will take? Now, after taking 5 chocolates, how many paise has left? From 10, if we remove 5, you will be remaining with a 5 itself. Now, here they are given 4. From 4, you had to subtract 7. So from 4 we can't subtract 7. So again we are going to borrow from the 100 place, that is 7. From 7 you will borrow, this 7 will become 16 and this 4 will become 14. Why? We are borrowing 1. So when you will add 1, that it will become 14. Now you have 14 rupees, give you have 14 chocolate, you will give 7 chocolate to your friend. You will be left with a 7 chocolates itself. Now 100 place, you have from 6 you have to remove 5. So from 6 chocolate, if you can give 5 chocolate to your friend, so you will give 5 chocolate to your friend. You will be left with 1 chocolate. After giving 5 chocolate, you will see it will be left with you 1 chocolate. Now here 6. From 6, if you will give 4 chocolate to your friend, you will remain with 2 chocolates. So here from 1, if you will remove 1, you will get 0 itself. So you will write here rupees 21.75 paise. So after subtracting, we will write it in rupees and paise. Otherwise, we are using the same method to subtract it. Now, our third question. See, our third question is 70 rupees 25 paise minus 45 rupees 50 paise. So, from ones, tens, hundred and thousand, we will write in this way. Then we will subtract it. See here, from 5, if you will remove 0, you will be remain with 5 itself. You have 5 rupees or 5 paise. You are not taking anything from any shop. And you will be left with, it will be remaining 5 paise itself. Now here, or if you have 5 chocolate, you will not distribute to anyone. You will not give to anyone that chocolate. You will be having 5 chocolates itself. Now here 2. From 2, 5 chocolates can you give to your friend? You can't give. So you have to borrow it from the 100 place. So in a 100 place you can see they have given 0. From 0, you can't borrow. So what you are going to do? First, you will borrow from the 1000 place to the 100 place. After that, from 100 place to 10th place. So, from 1000 place, I am going to borrow to the 100 place. So, in 1000 place, there is a 6. 7. This 7 will become 6. And this 0 will become 10. Now, see, in the 100 place, there is a 10. From 10 we can borrow to this 2. So now this 10 will become 9 and this 2 will become 12. So from 12 chocolates or from 12, if you remove 5, you will be remaining with 7. So you will write here 7. You can hold 12 finger in your hand and remove 5 finger. You will be left with a 7. So, next, now 100 place. Here 9 is there. You will hold 9 finger and remove 5 fingers. You will be remains with the 4 fingers. Same way, now 1000 place. In 1000 place, they have given 6 minus 4. So, you will subtract it. Hold 6 fingers and remove 4 fingers. You will be remain with a 2 fingers. So, after subtracting this way, we will write in the rupees and paise way. So, rupees 24 rupees and 75 paise. So, this was our third question. Now, our fourth question. What is our fourth question? They have given 100 rupees 0 paise minus 45 rupees 50 paise. So, see here we will write in a ones, tens, hundred, thousands place. So, this is a ones place, this is a tenth place, this is a 100 place, this is a 1000 and this is a 10,000 place. So, first we will subtract the ones place. Here 0 minus 0, we will get 0 itself. So, here 0 minus 5. So, from 0 we can't subtract 5. So, we had to borrow from the 100 place. So, see here in 100 place also they have given 0 itself. So, we can't borrow. We will go to 1000 place. So, in 1000 place also they have given 0. We can't borrow. So, we will go to the ones place. 10,000 place, that is a 1. From 10,000 place we will borrow to the 1000. After that to the 100, then to the 10. So, here from 1 if you will borrow, this 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. From 1000 place to the 100 place, when you will borrow in 1000 place there is a 10. When you will borrow this 1000, the 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. So, now we have to borrow from 100 to the 10th place. So, this 100 place is there, no? It is there in 10. So, when you will borrow 1, this 10 will become 9 and this 0 in the 10th place, it will become 10. So, now from 10 finger, remove 5 finger. You will be left with a 5 itself. So, now here from 9, you have to subtract 9. So, from 9, if you will remove 9 fingers, you will be remaining 0 fingers. Now, hold 9 finger in your hand and remove 4 fingers. See, you will be left with a 5 fingers. So here you will write 5. So here they have given 0. We will write this as a 0 itself. Now, when we are writing the answer, we will write in paise and rupees. So we will write here 50 rupees and 50 paise. This was our fourth question. Now our fifth question. So 215 rupees 25 paise minus 118 rupees 85 paise. So we will take it in a ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 place. After taking in a place value, we will subtract it. Now see here our ones place. 5 minus 5. You have a 5 fingers. Remove 5 finger. You will left with a 0 fingers. So there you will write a 0 fingers. So now from 2 we can't subtract 8. So we are going to borrow from the 100 place. So in the 100 place they have given 5. When you will borrow, this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. Now hold 12 fingers in your hand. After holding 12 fingers, remove 8 fingers. See, you will be left with the 4 fingers. So you will write here 4 fingers. After that, we finish the 10th place. Now 100 place. In 100 place they have given 4 minus 8. So see, 4 is a lesser number. We can't subtract 8. So we have to borrow from the 1000 place. This in 1000 place there is a 1. This 1 will become 0 and this 4 will become 14. Now hold 14. For example, you have 14 chocolate. Give 8 chocolate to your friend. See how much it left with you. You will be left with a 6 chocolates. Write down here 6. Now see here in a 100 place, we finish the 100 place. Now 1000 place. In 1000 place they are given 0 minus 1. Can we subtract from 0, 1? We can't subtract. So we are going to borrow it from 10,000 place. This in 10,000 there is a 2. When you will borrow from 2, 1, this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. So now from 10, hold 10 fingers and remove 1 finger. You will be left with a 9 fingers. Now from 1 we can subtract. You hold 1 finger and remove 1 finger. You will be left with no fingers. So you will write here 0. In an answer place you will write in a paise way. So you will write rupees 96 paise and 96 rupees and 40 paise. We are writing in rupees and paise way. So we will write rupees 96 and 40 paise. Now our sixth question. So our sixth question is for 99 rupees 25 paise minus 86 rupees 85 paise. So here also we are going to take in a place value way. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So see now first we will subtract the ones place. 5 minus 5 you will get here 0. So now 10th place. From 2 can we subtract it? We can't subtract. So from our 100 place we are going to borrow 1 to the 10th place. In the 100 place there is a 9. This 9 will become 8 and this 2 will become 12. So now 12. Hold 12 fingers and remove 8 fingers. See how much it will be left. You will be left with a 4 fingers. So now 8 fingers. Now hold 8 fingers and remove 2 fingers. You will be left with 2 fingers. Same way 9 finger you hold and remove 8 fingers. You will be left with 1 finger. So your answer will be, you will write in a rupees and paise way after subtracting. We will write here rupees 12 and 40 paise. So this is the way we are going to subtract with rupees borrowing.